marker prints. Today you're going to start off by putting your name and your teacher on the back of the white paper that you will make a print on. You will lightly spray your paper with the spray bottle. There's one bottle per group. You want to wipe your paper and your desk with a sponge, just trying to get off any extra water. You don't want puddles. And you just want to clean up that little bit of water. And then you will take your plate. That is the bird that you drew on the styrofoam, and you have colored it with Crayola markers, and that has to be done first. You put the plate on your desk, and then you take the wet, lightly damp paper and place it on top of the marker plate. Notice that your name and your teacher is showing because that's on the back. Use the side of your hand to rub the whole plate. I'm rubbing gently. I'm not trying to rip it. I'm rubbing gently, and see, you can kind of see through it. You can see the image transferring onto the paper. Now, when you think you have it all, you can peek. You can kind of check your progress and see if it's picking up the marker off of the plate. If it is not, like right there, I took a damp sponge, the same one you cleaned up with, and I'm just gently touching those areas that needed to print just a little bit more. But you want to be careful. You don't want to get it too wet. So I'm peeking again. Looks pretty good. Looking at the other side. Oh, the eye needs a little bit more. So again, see, I'm just touching it lightly. And then I'm ready to pull the print off of the plate. Voila! That's your first print. Now you could stop with that, but you can print another one. You can go back and color the styrofoam again and repeat the whole process and make another print. It could be the same or it could be different. I hope you're enjoying this. It's really kind of fun.